Yeah.
Alright, what is up, guys? Today, I actually just had to run home because I forgot the GoPro at my house. It sucked, but I'm going to Jonas's right now. Be there in about 2 minutes. We're going to work on the E30 and get some shit done today. We've arrived to the palace.
What's going on, guys?
A little work on the E30 today.
Yeah, we're almost there, guys. Before I throw the motor in, I just want to do one last, check through the engine bay. There's a few spots where I found some like surface rust buildings, so I went ahead and just grinded it down. Been hitting it with this rust converter, and yeah, the worst spot was like over here, but it was just all surface rust, which I'm guessing when the brake master or something was leaking,
yeah,
it ate away at the paint there. So
yeah,
it's going. I finally finished the here's, you can see the Z4 steering rack. I haven't talked about this at all, but since I decided I'm not running any power steering, I might as well get like a nice easy rack that's gonna be
snappy,
effortless, and yeah, it's gonna have a faster steering ratio.
All right, so he just sprayed all these spots up. I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna let this shit dry for like 24 hours. So
24 hours.
Well, I mean, that's what the directions say.
Do we listen to the directions all the time?
A little something from my personal collection to light up the runway. I feel like
this guy's about to shred open the E30 and get rid of this little rust bubble on the sunroof. He's about to take the paint off.
It's better to get to it now than later. I do not want that.
George should take some fucking note from that, dude. What's up? Alright guys, so we have a little challenge being created right now versus Jonas and George. Jonas is starving. This guy keeps talking about Big Macs. He wants a Big Mac, but George says he's not that hungry. So we're trying to figure out an item that they could eat. They want to see who could eat it faster, and we're gonna try and make it into something smaller because he doesn't want to eat a full meal.
Was it already disclosed that I'm hungry?
This guy is starving.
I am hungry.
So what do you guys want to make the meal then as the eat off? All right, dude. So what's your take on the challenge? Like what?
10-piece nugget?
10-piece? I can do a 10-piece.
That's the challenge.
I can do a 10-piece.
All right, guys. So it looks like.
Can I dip my shit too?
Yeah, you can. I mean,
yeah.
Still waste more time.
It's literally, you could use a drink, you could dip and everything, but it's it depends on like who has the faster technique and stuff.
Let's do it.
So you heard it, guys. The challenge is who could eat a 10-piece nugget faster. These guys are gonna be eating like pigs, so guess we're gonna go grab some food in a second. Alright, so we're heading to McDonald's right now to pick up some food for this little challenge we got going on. So I'll see you guys when we have the food. I don't know where we're gonna do the challenge yet, but we'll set it up nice and everything. Look at this. This thing's got big ass banana Brembos. What does it say under Grand Cherokee? Oh, it is a Trackhawk. Alright, so they got 10 each, as you can see, and they got 2 sauces each. That's just the rules. You can use a drink if you want, but it's just whoever can finish them first will win. And they actually give us 1 extra, so that will be the prize for the winner.
Alright, dude, I'm ready.
You ready? Alright, hold on.
Alright, so you have to do the countdown. So
Alright. Hold on.
Let's chicken nugget down, bro. No
move this box out of the way.
No hands on the food.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god. Okay, George's tactic is 2 at a time. Jones is taking bite to bite. Look at this. This is the strategy. He's got 2 on each. This guy's just downing the sauce. Oh my god. It's getting nasty, guys. I'm just gonna keep this down. Oh my god, Jones is destroying them. Oh my god, Jonas is actually destroying him. Jonas is an animal. George has a. They both have different techniques. Oh, he's spilling the sauce everywhere. He's spilling the sauce everywhere. This is anyone's game at this point. This is literally anyone's game. George has stuffed them all in his mouth. George is going off. This is insane. Oh my god. George has 3 left. Jonas has 4. But it's whoever has them in your mouth. Jonas is stuffing his fucking mouth. Oh my god. This is down to the end. This is down to the wire. George has them all. Oh my god. Last one is in for George. But George's mouth is full. Jonas's mouth isn't that full. So here we go. It's down to the wire right here. This is it. You have to open your mouth and put your tongue up when you're done. That was super close, dude. I don't know. I think Jones might have just barely won, but that was super close. Oh, no, dude. That was a sick challenge, guys. We're definitely gonna get some more challenges going down here. That was a good challenge. Dude, you guys,
dude,
that was crazy.
My whole entire like gum right here is just all on fire.
Dude, you guys are literally stuffing them, and you guys both had different techniques. Jonas was going one by one. He's going one bite out of them, and George was just double stacking. He just went like a fucking double stuffed Oreo. So,
you know my excuse of that. If I lost, he had the bigger mouth.
all right, so we have a next challenge being set up. They're trying to do the blazing wing challenge at Buffalo Wild Wings, the hottest one. Yeah. And he just said he'll shake on it right now, so
I'll shake on that.
There you go.
I want to do it anyways.
You see that we're gonna have a hot wings challenge coming up soon.
This is not like an actual.
I want to do it right now.
Oh. All right, guys. So that's been the end for this video. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.